What's up, guys? Welcome back to another garage video. Doing something a little different today. I want to show you some new products that I'm going to be trying out. And if you're like me, you guys probably have a ton of power tools, whether they be Milwaukee, DeWalt, Ryobi, Porta Cable, Makita. I know I have a ton of them in my van for work. I also have a ton of them here in my shop, between impact guns, air compressors. I mean, we got everything. We got the bigger air compressor. We got M18 heat gun, which is a real sweet setup. We got cordless bandsaw. We got drills. We got grinders. We got flashlights. So you guys know that, these batteries, they don't really last that long. So we teamed up with Vanon Batteries to try out some of their replacement batteries for my Milwaukee tools. Like I said, they do make batteries for other brands. They make batteries for Ryobi, Porta Cable, Makita, DeWalt, I think Black & Decker maybe, but I'll leave all the info in the description if you guys want to check them out. There will be a discount code for you guys if you want to purchase some of these. But they sent me the 5.5 amp 18 volt batteries. These things are sweet, so they're just a little bit bigger than the Milwaukee 5 amp batteries. And then they sent me a 5.5 amp 12 volt battery. So we're going to just put these things to the test quick, show you how they work, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to maybe cut some pipe, probably mess with the air inflator, because that is the only 12 volt tool I have in here. I do have some more 12 volt tools in my work van, but I think the air compressor will be a good test. That thing is great, by the way, for like ATV tires. Take it with you, especially for racing and stuff, and even just daily rides. You can throw that in your truck, in your gear bag. You can set your pressures. You can just set that thing, hit the on button, it'll stop automatically. A great tool from Milwaukee. And then if you guys want the big boy, that's the big boy for car tires and stuff like that. So maybe we'll give this one a whirl with a truck tire or something, but it is freezing out, so we're going to try to stay where it's warm. But let's get to work. All right, guys, we did charge these up. They're fully charged. They do have a nice LED indicator on there showing you that they're fully charged. And something I just noticed is they have like a built-in light on the back. Now, I'm not sure if that's like a flashlight. Oh yeah, so they have, wow, I didn't even realize that. So these have like a little portable flashlight. When you hold the power button display, the light will come on, and then when you hold it again, it shuts off. That's pretty cool. So when you just click it, it'll show you that we have 3 bars, which is full power. I don't think the 12 volt one has that. Let me just look. Nope. So that's actually pretty cool. So we're gonna start with just making some cuts with our bandsaw. This is an M18 bandsaw. It's something I use a lot for work. I did have it in here because I was messing around cutting some stuff. The only thing I will say is it needs a blade, and I don't have any, but I think it's gonna make some cuts. So let's just get right into it and see how she does. Not bad, a little slow, like I said, because the blade is weak, but power wise this saw feels really good. For me, with the Milwaukee batteries, the name brand batteries, I find myself, especially with my work tools, having to replace batteries every year or two. I do use them a lot. I charge them a lot, and it just seems like after a year or two they start to die and they just don't last as long as they used to. So it's going to be interesting to put these through the test, and I'm going to keep you guys updated down the road. We might do like a head-to-head test too in another video coming up, and I'm hopefully going to get a couple of their larger amperage batteries for some larger power tools that I have in the truck. So that'll be a cool video, so stay tuned for that. But let's cut a few more and see how this thing does. I'm just going to check the display. We're still at 3 bars, so that's pretty good. That's definitely pretty good. I know the batteries I have in here are kind of my hand-me-down batteries from my work truck. I usually get new batteries in the van. I put those in there first because I'm using those tools the most, and then I put the hand-me-down ones in here. Sometimes I might put one newer one in here, but I do have 3 or 4 batteries in here that, like if I'm using my drill, I might get 1 or 2 holes and they're already dead. So it's going to be nice to have these brand new Vanon batteries, these Milwaukee replacement batteries in here for my power tools. So we got 4 cuts so far. We're going to do a few more. Alright, so that was 20 cuts, guys. We're going to check this one more time. It's still on full power. I'd say that's pretty good for their 5.5 amp 18 volt Milwaukee replacement battery. This thing definitely takes a lot of power, and this thing hasn't even gone down 1 bar yet. So let's mess around with the 12 volt battery and see how that one works. Alright guys, so next we are going to try our Milwaukee M12 tire inflator. Like I said before, this thing is awesome for ATVs, dirt bikes, trailer tires. It will do car tires, but obviously it might only fill 1 or 2 tires before it dies. But like I said, for ATVs, dirt bikes, motorcycles, stuff like that, this thing is awesome. We only have a 3.0 battery, and these do okay, so it might not be fair to put these head to head because this is a 5.5, but we're going to put this thing to the test, pop her in here, and we're going to fill up some quad tires. We might do it a few times and then see how low this does drain, but let's go, give it a try. Alright guys, so this thing is a sweet tool, like I've been saying. I'm going to say that probably a lot. Screw it onto your valve stem, nice and easy. It does come with some adapters too on the back, which is nice. Power it on like so. Set your pressure. I'm going to do 7, and then you can see our battery bar here. There is no battery indicator on the battery, it's just on the tool. So we have what looks to be 4 bars right up here in the upper left corner, and then basically to turn this thing on, we just hit it here, and once it reaches 7 psi, it will stop automatically. Completely flat tires, guys. I drained the air out of these tires. Show you guys, and this way you're getting the full PSI, not just topping it off. So we'll do this again. If I can get this out. This way we know it's completely deflated. Alright, so it did go down 1 bar, and it's holding. So we got 3 bars remaining, which that's pretty good. We did, oh no, it just went back up. So it might be close, but I'd say that's pretty good. That's pretty good. We just did 8 tires, completely drained. We filled them up. 7 psi in the fronts, 5 in the rear. So that's pretty good for this 12 volt compressor with the 5.5 amp 12 volt Vanon Milwaukee replacement battery. Alright guys, so overall I think these batteries perform beautifully and kept up just as good, if not better, as the Milwaukee batteries. You can see our 20 cuts of 2-inch EMT, and our battery is still at 100%, which is pretty good. We only burned 1 bar of juice on this M12 battery in our mini air compressor, and we basically filled these tires 2 times right around, completely drained them, filled them back up, only burned 1 battery. So that guy, you know, we could be here for a while filling up tires. So I'm pretty impressed with these. I would like to get my hands on a couple of the larger amperage M18 batteries for some larger tools. I think that would be a good test, and I think what we'll do is we're going to do some head-to-head videos pretty soon and show you guys to see which one lasts the longest, and put these batteries head-to-head to see, you know, if they're worth the money. Obviously, guys, these batteries are far less expensive than the real ones, so you are definitely saving a ton of money. You can get 4 of these things for the price of 1 Milwaukee 18-volt battery. These things are super expensive, especially when you start getting into the larger amperage one. I mean, some of those batteries are like $300 a pop. So this is a great alternative if you want to save a few bucks and get a replacement battery. Vanon's got you covered. They do all the top brands, like I mentioned, and we're going to give you guys a discount code if you do want to try them out. It'll be down in the description, so check that out. Huge thank you once again to Vanon Batteries. And that's going to be a wrap for this one, guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. That helps a ton. Drop some comments. Let me know what you think. And if you're not yet, please subscribe. And we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.